Welcome back, YouTube. It is a great day to be different. So that's what we are going to do today. We're going to show you guys how to be different. We are only showing you guys a short, simple video on how to apply dry enhancements, dry fibers. But you guys can see exactly how it came in looking like. We're going to skip the fade. We're going to skip the natural edge up because we're only focusing on applying enhancements. So as you guys can see the natural edge up right there. Now we're going to follow right on up with the dry fibers. Boom. We're going to start right in the middle. We're going to walk it over. We do not have any hairspray or anything that's allowing these fibers to stick. It's just going ahead and sticking right to the forehead. And the reason for that is because we're going to follow up behind with hairspray to get it to hold. Don't want to overcake on the hairspray because it will itch, it will start to dry, and depending on what hairspray you use, it will get flaky and crusty, and we don't want that. So we're just going to go right in with the dry fibers with nothing applied to the forehead, and we're going to clean, while it is still dry, we're going to clean up anything, any overspray. Make sure it's nice and neat and set in how we want it. Clean it up. Gonna use the shears to clean up any overhang of the hairs, any frizzes, make it look a little bit neater. Details matter. Make sure it's set in there. Mop up anything we do not like with a Q-tip. And then we're gonna set it in. Boom, we're gonna hit the hairspray, use the hairspray to set that. We're gonna let that dry. That way the hair fibers will not move or go anywhere. It's stuck, it freezes, and we're good to go. Same thing on the other side. You guys can tell how much of a huge difference that makes on just the edge up. Boom, hitting the lighter spots, always squeezing the trigger, sweeping the nozzle, and aiming at the lighter spots. You don't want to aim at one spot the whole time because it will cake up. It will get too dark, then it will start to look fake. As you can see right there, it does not look fake. That looks very, very natural. He has very dark hair, so we use the black fibers and it filled right in together. Again, while it is dry, we're cleaning up whatever we don't like. That way, whenever we use the hairspray, it will set in and hold exactly how we want. Boom, just like that. Hairspray. It's gonna stick to the fibers and it's gonna allow the fibers to hold and set in. Same thing over here. Boom. Put the fibers, use the hairspray to set it. Clean up anything we don't like with a Q-tip. We're gonna mop that up. As you can see, we're gonna clean up a lot of that pencil and it's gonna make it look a lot more nicer and neater. Easy day. Easy day. Yes, sir. Now we're gonna move into the extensive cleanup process. So we're gonna wet the Q-tip, and as you can see the residue from the fibers and the hairspray, we're just gonna mop all that up. We're gonna make it look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, a lot neater, and it's gonna create much better contrast between the edge up and the skin. Get rid of any of that residue. As you can see, Q-tip is wet, it helps mop. Dragging it across the forehead, cleaning up anything we don't like. Details matter. Very, very important. Now, don't go over this part in my haircut tutorials because it will be too long of a video, but that's what this video is for. Yes, sir. As you can see, that makes a huge difference. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Very, very important for pictures and videos because, man, your videos and your photos, your camera picks up everything, so the details matter. The cleanup process, clean up any over hairs, overspray, hairspray, anything. We're gonna hit them with some hot sauce. It's gonna allow me to disinfect and also clean up anything else. Get rid of any overspray of the dry fibers, the wet fibers if applied, and hairspray. Turn the clipper over to get any frizzes. And boom, yes sir. Easy day, guys. Let's not overcomplicate this. Easy day, but you guys remember what he came in looking like. Sheesh. Yes sir, you guys remember. But he came to be different. Sheesh. Yes sir. You guys gotta apply the enhancements to your bag. Stop running from the enhancements in 2024, man. Enhancement season all 2024. But you guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do whatever you guys gotta do to keep me on your timeline, man. It's Kriispy, and that is Kriispy. Yes, sir. We out. Peace.